everybody, it's Lisa here, your national educator for Matisse, South Africa. And today I'd like to talk to you about cleansing. I'm going to give you 3 important steps to always remember for your cleansing routine. Step number 1 is to always ensure that you cleanse both morning and evening. I can't stress how important it is to remove all the daily and the nightly dirt, dust, grime, pollution, etc. Step number 2 is to always ensure that you give yourself sufficient time for cleanse. Now, a minimum of 30 to 40 seconds is sufficient to do a proper cleanse. Longer is better, but 30 to 40 seconds at least. Making sure that you get into all the areas of the skin. So sides of the nose, chin, behind the ears, a proper good cleanse. Step number 3 is to always ensure that you remove all the remaining cleanser that is left on the skin after you have finished cleanse. You do not want to have any residue on the skin prior to the application of your treatment products, which you would follow with toning, and that would complete the cleansing process. So today's featured cleansing product is Essential Cleansing Foam. Yes, a foam. This is so awesome. As you pump, a foam comes out. Now, directly onto the surface of the skin, you're going to use that. Now, Essential Cleansing Foam is from our youth range, and this is hydrating cleanser. So yes, it is a foam, and we do recommend it's best for combination to oily skins, but it is going to hydrate at the same time. So after your cleanse, you'll get that squeaky clean feeling, but without it stripping the natural oils off the surface of the skin. So the skin is going to remain hydrated. Purple orchid, cranberry extract, good antioxidant, even good soothing ingredients. So have a look at the tutorial and see how to use the foam. Simply and easily, you're going to pump. I like to use 2 pumps. It's nice and sufficient amount of cleanser. Have it between your hands and you're going to apply.